Have you ever wanted to visualize data in a way that makes it pop? Creating multiple pie charts for each continent can be a fantastic way to showcase alcohol serving percentages. If you're looking to do just that, you're in the right place. I totally get it. Trying to represent data visually can be tricky, especially when you want to make it clear and engaging. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when working with data visualization. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create multiple pie charts for each continent to show alcohol serving percentages. If this sounds like your situation, let's dive in and find a solution together. So, what's the challenge here? When dealing with data in Pandas, creating multiple pie charts can be a bit complex, especially if you're not familiar with the right functions. But don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you streamline your data visualization process even further. To create multiple pie charts for each continent, the user should first ensure they have the necessary libraries installed. Specifically, they will need Pandas and Matplotlib. Next, the user should load their data into a Pandas DataFrame. This can be done by reading a CSV file or any other data source that contains the alcohol serving data. Now the user needs to group the data by continent and prepare it for plotting. This involves calculating the total alcohol servings for each continent. After grouping the data, the user can create pie charts for each continent. This can be done using a loop to iterate through the grouped data and generate a pie chart for each one. Finally, the user should customize their pie charts for better visualization. This includes adding titles, adjusting colors, and ensuring the percentage labels are clear. Fun fact, did you know that pie charts were first introduced in the early 19th century? They have been a popular way to represent data ever since. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user provides an alternative approach using Matplotlib and Pandas to create multiple pie charts for each continent. They suggest first normalizing the data by dividing each value by the row sum. Then, they create subplots for each row and generate a pie chart for each continent's alcohol servings. Here's a pro tip. Consider using subplots to display all your pie charts in one figure. This way, you can compare the data visually without switching between different charts. And there you have it. You should now be able to create multiple pie charts for each continent with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data visualization.